Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world we live in. But what exactly is AI? How does it work? And why is it so important? Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about AI in simple terms. At its core, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It's about teaching computers to think, learn, and make decisions, just like a human would. But how do we do that? Let's find out. AI works using something called algorithms, a set of instructions that tell the machine what to do. These algorithms help AI recognize patterns, make predictions, and solve problems. For example, I can recognize faces in photos. It's trained to look for specific patterns, like the shape of eyes, noses, and mouths, to identify a person. The more data it gets, the better it gets at recognizing faces. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, which is the most common, is designed to do one specific task. Think of virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. They can play music, set reminders, and answer questions. But that's all they do. On the other hand, general AI is a type of AI that could perform any intellectual task that a human can do. Right now, general AI is still a concept and doesn't exist yet, but scientists are working on it. A key technology that powers most AI today is machine learning. It's a process where AI systems learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. For example, AI can learn from previous weather patterns to predict future conditions, or analyze movie ratings to recommend the best films to you. AI is all around us. It helps us every day, even when we don't realize it. From Siri and Google Assistant answering our questions, to Netflix recommending your next favorite show, AI is constantly at work, making our lives easier. And did you know that self-driving cars use AI to understand their environment? They analyze data from cameras, sensors, and maps to safely navigate the roads. The potential of AI is limitless. In the future, AI could revolutionize industries like healthcare by helping doctors diagnose diseases faster, or even assist in solving global challenges like climate change. As AI continues to evolve, we'll see even more exciting innovations. From robots assisting in factories to AI-powered solutions that could change the way we work, live, and interact with the world. So whether it's making our lives more convenient or transforming industries, AI is shaping the future. But the journey has just begun, and we'll continue to explore and learn how AI is changing the world.